Hello, everybody, and welcome to another video to practice some Spanish. On this video, I'd like to practice everything we've seen so far. And in order to do that, what I will do is make some sentences, write some sentences. I will share my screen and we will translate some sentences from English to Spanish. And I will guide you through the process and I will give you the answers. So you can do them at home and by pausing the video, trying to work them out and thinking, how would I say this? And then you'll have the answer because I will solve all of them. Without any more delays, let's go to do it. Let me share my screen and you should be seeing my screen at the moment. And now here you have a chart. Well, you have 4 charts of a handout with everything we've seen so far. And I will keep this here so you can have a look at it and I can always point you on the right direction. Vale. I will write sentences here, probably in here. Let me try to find a gap. Yeah, over here. So, for example, this cat is brown. This cat is brown. How would you say that in Spanish? Well, how do you say cat? Cat is a gato, but you want to say this cat. So how do you say that this for a male single cat? Este gato, this cat. And now we need the verb is. We are talking about one single cat and it. So you go for the verb ser and you go for the verb es. And now we only need to know how to say brown. If you don't know how to say brown, I'll tell you. Marrón. You can pronounce after me. Este gato es marrón. This cat is brown. Another one. These cats are brown. Similar sentence, but this time instead of being one cat, it's more than one. Gato is still gato. Now this time is more than one, so it would be gatos. How do you say these? Well, it's no longer este. Now it's masculine, but it's plural. Estos. Estos gatos. Now we need the verb are. They are. More than one. It was is before, but now it's are. They are. Son. Oops. Sorry. Son. And how do we say brown? It was marrón. But now it's plural. So, marrones. Estos gatos son marrones. These cats are brown. More. Let's carry on. My friend Lucas is from Almería. Almería is just a region in Spain. Vale. My friend Lucas is from Almería. Okay. How do we say friend? Amigo. And how do we say my friend? Mi amigo. Mi amigo Lucas. And my friend Lucas is a he. So we need to use the box for a he, she. Es. And how do we say that from? To talk about Where are you from? I'm from de Almería. Mi amigo Lucas es de Almería. My friend Lucas is from Almería. Where are you from? Where are you from? Mhm. Unlike English, we wouldn't say where are you from. We would say from where are you? So we need that from right at the beginning. So it's a question. So question mark. And now de dónde, from where, and now are you? How do we say are you? Middle left, eres tú, or tú eres, doesn't matter. The order is not important. ¿De dónde eres tú? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres tú? I am from I am from England. I am from England. How do we say I am? I am. Yo soy. So yo soy. Remember how to say that from? Yo soy de, and now England. We don't say England, we say Inglaterra. Yo soy de Inglaterra. Yo soy de Inglaterra. I am from England. More. Well, if that's not true for me, I'm not from England, so I am not from England. I am not. Remember that for that not, we say no, and we always say no before the verb. So I am not is yo no soy. I am not. Yo no soy from de Inglaterra. Yo no soy de Inglaterra. I am not from England. We are, we are, what are we? We are firefighters. We are firefighters. How do we say firefighter? In Spanish, firefighter is un bombero. Bombero. So we are firefighters. How do we say we are? This box over here is the we are. So nosotros somos. Bombero is the word for a firefighter, but it's plural. So nosotros somos bomberos. Nosotros somos bomberos. We are firefighters. Vale. The the tree, the trees are very tall. The tree are very tall. How do we say tree? Well, one tree is árbol, but it's more than one. So it would be árboles. So how do we say the? You have to go to this chart, and you have to go from the, masculine and plural. So los árboles. Okay, and now we need the verb ser. The trees are. The trees are they. So what's the box that we use for a they? This one over here. Son. Very. How do we say very? Los árboles son muy. That's very. And what's the word for tall? Alto. But it's more than one tree. So it would be altos. So the trees are very tall. Los árboles son muy altos. Let's change that one a little bit. Now it's going to be that tree is very tall. It's one tree. So it's not going to be árboles. It's only going to be árbol. And we don't say the anymore. We say that. That masculine word, let's say in the middle. So masculine, single, middle. Ese árbol. It's one tree, so it's an it. This is the box that we use for the verb to be, for an it. Es muy, remember how to say tall? Alto. That tree is very tall. Ese árbol es muy alto. If that tree happens to be very far away, you could have said aquel. That would be that, but this time instead of in the middle, very far away. Vale, let's keep going. Are you fast? That's a question. Are you fast? Okay. How do we say are you or you are? Because we don't have to alter the order. We can do it, but we are more flexible than you when it comes to the order in sentences. Box, middle box, left. Tú eres. It's a question mark. Tú eres. Are you now fast? How do we say fast in Spanish? Rápido. Fast. Tú eres rápido. If you are asking a lady, tú eres rápida. If it is a woman, tú eres rápido. Tú eres rápida. Vale. Let's keep going. For example, his teacher, his teachers are very good. His teachers are very good, more than one teacher. How do we say teacher in Spanish? We say profesor. But it's not one teacher, it's more than one. So we have to make the word teacher plural. So it would be profesores. How do we say his? We go here, possessive adjectives, and go to his. His, her, its, we say su. But we have a plural his, sus. So sus profesores, they are. What's the form of the verb ser that we use for a they? Son. Very. We've done this before. Very. Muy and good. Well, for good, we have bueno, but because it's plural, buenos. Sus profesores son muy buenos. His teachers are very good. Let's keep going. You can pause this video and try to work it out, taking your time, looking up the words. I'm doing it quick, but you don't have to do it as quick as me. So just take your time, look at your charts. I know this is difficult when you are doing it for the first time or you are not familiar with the verb. Vale. Those, let's go for a personal pronoun. For example, we are not Nurses. Comma. We are, what are we? We are doctors. Mhm. First of all, how do we say nurse? We say, I'm going to write it down here on top. We say enfermero if it is a man, or enfermera if it is a woman. And for doctor, you can say doctor or doctora, but it's more common to say médico or médica if it is a woman. So we are not. What's the box of the verb ser for a we are? This one. Nosotros somos. But it's a we are not. So it is nosotros no somos nurses. Let's imagine it's a mixed group. So we'll go for masculine plural. Enfermeros. Nosotros no somos enfermeros. We are not nurses. We are doctors. Nosotros somos, we are, now doctors. Médicos. Nosotros no somos enfermeros. Nosotros somos médicos. That was a long sentence. Vale. More. Is Maria your flatmate? Is Maria your flatmate? How do we say flatmate? Well, for us, any mate, flatmate, classmate, workmate, we say them all in a very similar way. We say compañero o compañera, if it is a woman, de, and then whatever. Flat is piso. So compañero de piso, flatmate. If it were a workmate, compañero de trabajo, workmate. Classmate, compañero de clase. So in this case, flatmate, compañero de piso. That's a flat. Vale? So Maria is a she. So that's the form of the verb ser that we are looking for. Es. We open the question. Sorry. Capital letter. María es. You can say es María or María es. It doesn't matter. We don't need to alter the order unless we want to. María es now your, possessive. Your. Tu compañera de piso. Compañera because María is a lady. María es tu compañera de piso. Is María your flatmate? Oh. Since we learned how to say flat, that flat is very big. That flat is very big. Flat. Piso. Male, single word. How do we say that? Let's imagine it's in the middle. It's not super far away. Ese piso. Ese piso. Flat is an it. What form of the verb ser are we going to use? Es. Very. You know this. We've done it 2 or 3 times. Muy. And how do we say big in Spanish? Grande. Ese piso es muy grande. That flat is very big. One more, guys. For example, our parents are very strict. Yeah, I think that's correct in English. Our parents are very strict. Yeah. Okay. How do we say strict? Very similar in Spanish. Estricto, if it is a man, stricta, if it is a woman. Mhm. Vale, our. How do we say our? We have to go to our possessives. And for our, we say nuestro, or nuestra, or nuestros, or nuestras. Parents is a masculine plural word. So you'll go for nuestros. Parents. Padres. And now our parents is a they. They are. What form of verb ser you will need? Son. Very. Muy. And now strict. But we are talking about parents. So the adjective is going to be male and plural. Estrictos. Nuestros padres son muy estrictos. One more. For example, okay, let's use the you all. You all, you plural. I'm going to write just you, but I want to talk about several people. You more than one person. You are not, you are not from here. You are not from here. You're not from here, aren't you? Okay, remember I'm talking to 2 or 3 people. So that you is a vosotros. It's a you plural. Vosotros are not. You have to use sois, but the negative form of that. So vosotros no sois. From. Remember how to say that from? To talk about origin or where something or someone comes from. Vosotros no sois de aquí. Aquí, here. Vosotros no sois de aquí. You are not from here. Okay, guys. This is a very short video, but I hope I helped you in any way, in any possible way. It's okay if it takes you longer to do it and you have to look up words. I just want you to understand what I'm doing, that I'm putting all the pieces together to create a sentence. We will practice with this for a long time, many classes, don't worry, until we are blue in the face. So don't worry. And probably this week, because I have plenty of time, I will create a similar video, but with other sentences. So we can keep practicing. Well, I will see you very soon, and bye-bye for now.